How to sign up for Caesars Rewards mobile app. Hi everyone, I'm Jesus60. Today, without any delay, let's jump right in. First, make sure you've downloaded the app. After you've downloaded the app, click on Caesars Rewards. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Create Account in here. After you click on Create Account, you'll find options to add your name, your email, and your password. Create a password, add your full name and your email, and press on Continue. After that, verify your account, as code will be sent to your mail. Add the code in here, and after you do that, your account will be created. This is how to sign up for Caesars Rewards. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.